Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about what is meant by automorphic number first, right? Let us take this example. See here. Let us take example as 76, right? What is the square of 76? It is 5776, right? Right. What is the length of the 76? It is 2. It is 2. Take last two digit. Take last two digit and whether this two digit is equal to 74, 76. Yes. Yes. So it is called as an automorphic number. Automorphic number. Right. Right. So this is the definition of automorphic number. So how to build in logic? Just see here. First of all, I want to take the length of the number. Length of the number. Let us take it as n. Let us take it as n. Now, what is my second step? My second step is to square the number. Square the number. Right? Right? Now, my third step, extract the last n number. N number from the square. From the square. Right? What is my fourth step? I want to check whether the extracted number is equal to n, right? If it is so, I want to say it is an automorphic number. If it is so, I want to say automorphic number. Else I want to say it is not an automorphic number, right? So these are the four steps. These are the four steps, right? So let me like write here. Just see here, 26, and I will get a length as 2. I'll get a length as 2. Now 5776. Now listen carefully. I want to extract its last two elements. This last two elements. So how can I extract this last two elements? I can say simply to mod by 100. Mod by 100. So what is my observation? Because n is 2. N is 2. So I am just doing a mod operation with 100. So I can say it is 10 power 2. 10 power 2. If this n is 1, I want to do mod operation with 10 power 1. If this n is 3, I want to do mod operation with 10 power 3 to get the last 3 digit value, right? So I want to do a mod operation with 100. So my answer will be 76. Whether the 76 and the 76 are same, yes. So I can pretend it is an automorphic number, right? So I can print it is an automorphic number. Fine. So these are the steps. Let us see the code. Let's see here. N is equal to 76. Square is equal to n into n. Temp is equal to n. Then length is equal to 0. While temp, length plus is equal to 1. And this is a iteration just to find what is the length of that number. In previous video, I have explained this clearly. And then last is equal to square mod 10 power length. 10 power length, right? We can also use power function. In C++ Java, you can use power function. In power function, first put 10, then comma length. Like here, power what 10 comma length. So this is equivalent to what? This 10 star length. And in Java, you have to put math dot, right, because it is in the math library. Sorry, math class, that's module, right? And then if last is equal to n, then I can say it's an automorphic number. Else I can say it's not an automorphic number, right? Let us also take another example. 5 is also an automorphic number. Why? Because 5 into 5 it is 25. And what is the last one digit? It is 5. Whether 5 is equal to 5? Yes, yes. So it is an automorphic number. And another is 6, right? So these are the examples for automorphic number. We can see another interesting question with some logics, right? How to find the maximum and minimum of two numbers without using conditional and iterative statements? So what is the question? We want to find the maximum and minimum of two numbers. Just find maximum, max and min of two numbers without using conditional statements or iterative statement. So what is conditional statement? It is like if or ternary, that manner, right? What is the iterative statement? It is for loop, while loop, and do while loop, right? So without using this, we want to find what is the maximum and what is the minimum. Just pause this video and try by your own, and if you got the answer, stick with my video, right? If you don't got the answer, don't worry, just listen to my video. I will explain this clearly, right? Take some example, 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Now, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? I can say max value is 10. And what is the min value? Min value, it is 5. Min value, it is a 5. Okay, okay. Now, I don't want to use some conditional statements, and I don't want to use some iterative statements. Fine. Now, I got an idea. I got an idea. If I put A is less than B, that is 5 is less than 10. What is my output? What is my output? It will be 1. 1. If I put 10 is less than 5, what is my output? It will be 0. It will be 0. Okay. Fine. Okay. In Python, it returns what? True and false, but still, when we are assuming it as a integer value, it is 1 and 0, right? Okay, fine. Let us see. If it is it's for minimum, we want to find the minimum value. We want to find the minimum value. So when we are finding the minimum value, if A is less than B, I want to return A. If B is less than A, I want to return B. Fine. So I can say, if A is less than B, I will multiply with A plus B is less than A. I'll multiply with B, and I store in a min variable. So what I have said in this step, just observe carefully. If A is less than B, I'll get the output as 1 into A. What is the value of A? It is 5. 5 is less than 10, obviously, and 1 into 5, which is equal to 5. Plus what is the value of P less than A? 10 is less than A. No. So 0 into 10, which is equal to 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. I got answer. Same. Applicable for maximum. Just max is equal to A is greater than B into A plus B is greater than A. Sorry. Yes. B is greater than A into B, right? If take for example 10 comma 5. Take for example, you can take any example and just take 10 comma 5. So whether 10 is greater than 5? Yes. So put 10 in, put 1 into what is the value of A? It is 10 plus what is the value of B is greater than A? Whether B is greater than A? No, 5 is not greater than A, it's greater than 10, right? So it is 0 into 5, which is equal to 10 plus 0, which is equal to 10, right? So I got an answer for min, and I got an answer for max. So this is the intuition or logic behind how to find minimum or maximum of two numbers without using iterative or without using a conditional statement, right? So this is the approach. Let's see the code here. This is the code. Just observe carefully. I just written the same I have wrote in that paint file, right? Now another interesting question: how to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable? How to swap two numbers without using temporary variable? So in Python, before starting this, try by your own, okay, and come up with a solution, or just watch my video, right? Just see here. Just take 7 6. A is 7 and B is 6, right? At the end, A should be 6 and B should be 7. So this should be output. So how to exchange? How to swap? Okay, in Python, we can easily implement as B comma A. A comma B is equal to B comma A, so that A is assigned as B and B is assigned as A. So this is in Python. But don't use it. Use the logic to solve this problem. Okay. So how to build a logic? Okay, fine. whether we can use addition and subtraction operator. Let us use here in A, I'm going to add 6 and 7. That is, I want to add the both value of A and I want to store in A. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 is stored in A. Now B is equal to, inside B, what should be my output? It should be what? 7. 7 as my output, but still currently my B is what? It is 6. It is 6 initially. It is 6 initially. A is 13 here, and B is 6 initially. Okay, we want to set 7 as my output for B, so we can minus 6 in this 13 to get 7. So A minus B, what is the value? It is 6. Sorry, what is the value? It's 7. 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7. Right. Again. So now B value is updated as what? 7. Now B value is 7 and A value is 13. Okay. In my result, I want to get A value as 6. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Again do A minus B is equal to 6. Now I have got B as 7 and A as 6. This is my output. Solved, right? So this is the logic behind. We want to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable, right. In traditionally we will do like, we will take a temporary variable and just place A there, and A is equal to B. Just I placed B value in A and B is equal to temp. So this is the traditional method. But now we have come up with our logic, like we don't want to use this temp variable. Then how A is equal to A plus B, then B is equal to A minus B, then A is equal to A minus B. That's all. By using these three lines, we can successfully swap two numbers without using temporary variable, right? See here, this is a three line, and this is for the Python users. Python user can use this approach, but still, you want to know about what is this approach, right? So that's all about this video. Thank you.